Okay, so we're gonna be walking into the downtown area, which is right over that direction, and we're gonna be going down that street. But before we even begin, we're gonna just kind of show you where we are, which is at the ocean of Bangsaen. And the sun is gonna go down, so we're gonna start catching the lighting just about right. It's going down just a little bit too much that we can't really capture everything very well. And we are gonna go directly over that direction, and then we're gonna go down that way. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. So yeah, that sun is just starting to go down. So that means all of our lighting is going to start coming on as well. So we're just gonna go down a little bit. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna head on up by going up this way. So we're gonna go right up into those businesses and kind of show you what's around here on the main street as well. Pretty cool. This is Bangsaen. And so I did some other videos where I did go down this one. I'll probably do it again later when it's nightlife starts kicking off a little bit and you can see more of the activities. But right now I'm going to go straight down this street, and the lighting is just about to so you got the Click Cafe. Let me just kind of see what this is all about here. Fresh Cafe, Fresh Brew, Click Cafe. So that one actually overlooks the ocean right there. You see the sunset's just starting to come down in the distance there. Huh. It's kind of cool. Bangsaen Resort. You can actually see that redness in the distance there. You can see here. The down one's on the corner. So what we're going to be doing in a minute is going down this main road here. There's a lot of activities, so I think it should be interesting. Welcome to Bangsaen Beach, so that's actually the entrance. Okay, let's go down and see what's all around here. See a marijuana leaf already, and then there's a lot of bars and kind of a lot of music at nighttime. Went by here on a Tuesday night about 5 days ago, and I was pretty surprised. Films. This also goes all the way down to a mall and such like that as well. And I also went down some side streets. There's a university not too far away, so there's some kind of cool stuff like that too. all those apartments up there. I think those are hotels. So I don't know how far, actually you can walk quite a ways. It goes, this road is a major artery, it goes about 3 kilometers. And as you can see, there's lots of traffic coming to the beach on the left. But we do have this nice sidewalks here. And the first time I saw these, I was really surprised. I didn't expect something quite like this. Pool bar. I'm curious if later these are really crowded or not. There's also some other stuff on the other side of the street too. You can see those kind of lit up a little bit. Coffee house. It's kind of interesting because you can see that some of these were once houses, right? It says Hop Attic Bangsaen. Right here we got a bar. Stuff over there. Okay. Huh. Nice restaurant right there. Walking down this way, but now you can kind of see it's opening up into more stuff. And also, I've been briefly in this other street. This is parallel to the beach, so there's a bunch of stuff down that way. But this particular street, we're gonna do Bangsaen Main Street. I guess the other one is Beach Street, and then parallel to Beach Street. Kind of cool. Okay. That's cool stuff. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Another live music place as well here. Silver Night. Looks pretty cool. Very cool place. I have to come back here and check it out. Called Silver Night. Silver Night. Okay, so let's check out the next one. This also has live music as well. This one can't really compete because the other one has, they hire all those girls there. Moonlight Cafe and Bar. Hello. That looks pretty cool. There's, oh, go ahead. Okay. really cool. This one's called, that one's called Moonlight right there.
Coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Yeah.
Ah, that looks cool. Cool. So yeah, you can see these are going to be a lot busier later. This one is not even open quite yet, but later it will be. And this one, I guess, is let's see, this one is. Oh, it is live. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going. So I guess this one, let me just kind of give you a little context. We're gonna keep on walking as well, but you can also see the sun is going down. There's other stuff on the other side of the street, so you can also see all these ones on that side as well. And I guess a lot of these ones have girls that work in the bars, so this one does too. Okay, we're already at 11:23. Chinese style. Okay. So I guess that's gone kind of the main street to the gas station anyways. I think I'm going to keep on walking. And, so yeah, basically that went all the way down to the beach. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.